tu jingkran ba minta lada dibor ke badi pet jemla ban te lakam yurugin haban ne dikui grukom kumno kumna kat ba batai ka kam kumne kai.
The social organization belonging to HITO Integrated Territorial Organization Mylliem Area has complained to the police about the untimely plying of overloaded trucks through Upper Shillong Road. HITO Integrated Territorial Organization Mylliem Area has informed the police that many overloaded trucks continue to ply through Upper Shillong towards Guwahati despite restrictions on the overloaded truck being notified by the authority concerned. This organization has also informed the police that many overloaded trucks capsize on this road, creating enormous inconvenience to the public.
Harian bangilayo banyakran SP traffic lawan ujor ka jing jaga kha in kijing block kanika traffic create problem mai ki hatam bang school te na school tenta pai ba ku ju te nakleng ni ka sani lawan train show SP traffic jangka discussion kan issue nang ban solve no kam yu mo ya kajing kamtam kajing jilai kali overload truck overload ena ka sport ki film ki yu ka boro de na kajing bom simcha ka traffic department dan re habang nilai shong meeting nilai kren bu SP traffic mau niat tamban saka nak ju niat clear saka ta transport department te uang ba kami ke duty jangka traffic police nek ketika jangka transport department banle itu banle itu dan rek balingo ke basul ngo menta pakolong ba kumno ya ka fine pat ya ka fine lada ki yu pat college ka traffic department kan ya kalau kata ni kentu mo ya ka nakaleng ka police department kaleng lo kani nang kanom ja shu kini ja nak passport jinja kumiti ban klem truck ban kan kamta mata lo school ka semjing ai na ban pai ba kum ju kalai kawan ta siwon